Welcome back to the channel, and welcome to the first video of 2026. So about 2 weeks ago, I made a video covering my last journey on a Class 455, as they are being replaced by the Class 701 Arterios on commuter services out of London Waterloo. A few days after that video was posted, on the 21st of December 2025, the 455 farewell tour took place, hosted by the Branchline Society. However, revenue operation of the 455s continued for at least 2 more days until the 23rd of December, when South Western Railway confirmed the end of operations for their Class 455s. Now, I was out of town during this time, and I initially thought that the 455s would never run again after the 23rd of December. However, that's not actually the case. You see, on the 4th of January 2026, I, somehow, managed to see a 455 at Epsom railway station. There was only one 8-car 455 set scheduled for operation that day, and it comprised of 455 721 and 455 732. I initially thought that this was running an ad hoc service, which basically means the train can only run if absolutely necessary, like in the case of a train breakdown. However, I was digging a little deeper after that, and I found out that it was running a revenue service this whole time, specifically the 932 service from London Waterloo to Guildford. And that wasn't the only service it was scheduled to run that day. So, without hesitation, I made my way down to the Epsom station platforms to get this train on its return service from Guildford. And I would be taking this train as far as Rains Park.
Not getting on it first stop.
So much legroom!
They've got a manager.
once I got to Rhames Park, I quickly tapped out and tapped back in again, and then raced over to the other side to get this train back towards Epsom, which was a Class 701 Arterio.
Southwestern Railway Arterio service to Guildford.
This is.
So, after that journey, I strongly believe that the remaining Class 455 units are here to stay with us in 2026. For at least a little while, but only time will tell, I guess. Anyways, if you enjoyed the video, remember to like and subscribe to the channel for more content. And thanks for watching. I'll see you all next time.